Hey, how's it going, guys? It's Travalgar Valentine. I just wanted to show you a drawing that I've done. This one was of a ultimate badass kind of panda, where previously I did one with the regular panda in the corner, and the badass version which had extra tires on it, armor and all sorts of cool stuff. So I wanted to do like an ultimate version of that. So here it is. I did the background first, and I kind of just went with the shape of it. So as the background was done with acrylics. Then for this ultimate badass version, I've got the car, as you can see there, and I've got this cool plough, then tracks going across. Then I've got these cool towers at the back. Yeah, it looks pretty awesome. It's a lot bigger than the last one. It looks more heavy duty and stuff. Mainly doing with markers and then gel pen. I had a bit of a problem with this just because I think I used the wrong kind of colour scheme. I think I should have used maybe green and blues to contrast with the background. But never mind, I'll do better next time. I did add a white gel pen just to highlight some of the areas, but I think next time I need to do opposite colours. But anyway, I hope you enjoy this video, guys, and yeah, ultimate badass panda. I mean, why not? I mean, you see regular cars all the time, but maybe I can do a God King badass or something. We'll see.